Hello and welcome to Max Attempts. Today on Max Attempts I attempt to watch a herd of cows. There's one cow. There's 1, 2, 3 cow. And it's another 1, 2, 3 cow. In stunning resolution. Down here we got another 1, 2, 3 cows. Again in incredible resolution. And then down here we got the leader cow. Leader cow. Or I think that might be a horse. No, that is the leader cow. Yeah. Moo. That's a very muscular moo. And we got the rebel cow here at the very back, doing its own thing, bucking the trend. Maybe it's a teenager cow. You can't make me eat that grass over there. I'm going to eat my own grass. Oh. I think it heard me. Alright, this has been Max Attempts to watch a herd of cows. Well, all I say, pretty successful attempt. Tune in next time for more Max Attempts.